Hi everyone! Today I'll introduce the new features of our vision positioning system after the algorithm update. Previously, when printing socks with logos on both sides, manual alignment often caused logo positioning mismatches in finished pairs. Now, with our new algorithm, the system automatically calculates each sock's center and performs intelligent image cropping in the software. No more manual centerline alignment. Next, I'll give a live demo of this new feature. This is a sock printer that does not come with our vision positioning system. During operation, the worker needs to first place the socks onto the printing fixture and manually align the heel and centerline positions. However, some socks do not have a clear center reference line on the backside, so workers can only rely on experience to roughly align the middle position. As a result, the printed logo position varies from sock to sock, making it difficult to ensure consistency. As you can see, the logo positions are uneven. Now, let me demonstrate the operation of the equipment equipped with our vision positioning system. We'll start by putting the socks on. As you can see, there's no need to align the center line or worry about the heel position throughout the entire process. The device automatically identifies the sock's outline and uses software algorithms to accurately crop the image. Let's change the angle and take another look to see if the system really recognizes it. You can see that the algorithm has cropped the image. Next, we'll take a few socks printed with the vision positioning system and a few printed without it. Put them through drying and color development together, and then bring them out for a comparison. As you can see, the logo positions on every sock printed with the vision positioning system are perfectly consistent. Finally, let's put the two batches of printed socks side by side so you can take a closer look and compare them.